This video is going to cover two things. First, we are going to learn how we can generate AI photos using our own images. Second, how we can animate those images, how we can make a talking images out of those AI generated photos. These are the two things we are going to learn in this video. Without wasting much time, let's get started. These are the two applications we are going to use for this tutorial. First, we are going to generate our AI photo using our own image. Let's open CapCut. Click on Expand. Then move to Text to Image. Below you could see an image with plus icon. Click on that. Select the image you want to use. You can select your own image. Now here you can click on human face so that the image we are going to generate will resemble the one you have selected. I have already created some, so let me clear this point. Type in any command how you want the image to look like. Click generate. Then you have to wait. Your images are generating. Now you have been given 4 images. Among them you choose one which you want to use. Yes, with my case I'll use the first one. And the image will resemble the image you selected from your machine. Now let's upscale this image. Let's make it more nice. You can also type on the retouch to make it more beautiful. Let's try it again. Retouch. Now let's wait. Voila, and now you have a beautiful image, a very nice and high resolution image. Now let's save the image to our gallery. Now we are done saving the image. Let's open DubDubLab. This is the image that we are going to use to generate the token image. Click on the plus button when you open DubDub. Now you click on upload your photo. Select the image that you just created from CapCut. Wait for it to be uploaded. Now click next. We are going to add audio. Here you click on record audio. Hello, I love you all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon so that when we post any video you get notification. Thank you and thank you. Until next time, I say peace. Bye bye. We are done recording. Click done. Make token photo. Click on that and wait. Now your project is processing. Here you have to wait, and as you are waiting you keep on refreshing the page. Keep on refreshing the page. Done. Everything is ready. Let's test it. Click on play button and let's test. Hello, I love you all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon so that when we post any video you get notification. Thank you and thank you. Until next time, I say peace. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Please, if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The One Movie. Bye bye.